So you don't think Michael Bay has any power over anything? He's going to be producing the Birds remake, the Alfred Hitchcock classic, the Birds remake. What, we're going to have birds and explosions? I know he's not directing it, but doesn't mean he doesn't have any power over it. CGI birds, that's what we're going to get. How many times do I have to say, these remakes nowadays are bullshit? Just watch. And then you can come to this video and say, you know what, you were right, Rob. This is what I think of it. I'm gonna take that long motherfucker. I'm taking it down. Taking it down. Yeah. Oh shit. Shit, son of a bitch. Took a little bit more hits that one. That one didn't want to come down. But guess what, in the end? It fucking did. It fucking did. It fucking went down.